Murray State's Regional Outreach Program provides money for new and innovative educational program for West Kentucky youth. Hooked on Science with Jason Lindsey is one program that the young ones really enjoy. To get the Hooked on Science experience, we have Jason here. So what are you going to show us today?
We're going to talk all about air. And you talked about kids. The goal is to get them excited about science, to kind of show them that we can take science beyond the classroom window. One thing that we're doing new this year is taking the mobile science library to governmental housing across our region. In other words, giving these kids not only a science experience, but the opportunity to actually read. And we provide them with a free nonfiction science book as well. Some of those experiments we do are two that we're doing today. There's a small chance you might catch on fire. You good with that?
Maybe not.
I'm joking with you. We can't do that, but we are going to focus on air. It's all around us. It's invisible. It's transparent. We can't see it with our own eyes, but how do we know it's there?
Because we can feel it?
You can feel it. You're exactly right. On a hot summer day, you can feel the wind blow against you. You get a little bit cooler, or you could build an air cannon, and that's what I've done. I have this tub over here. On top, I kind of put a tarp, and I held this tarp on with a bungee cord. Now remember, kids, if you do science experiments at home, there should always be an adult around. Never eat or drink your science experiment. Have fun. Wear the appropriate safety gear, okay? At this point, you're not going to get hurt, so we don't have to worry about goggles or anything like that. There's not anything that's going to hurt you in any form or fashion.
That's good.
Now, I did put a hole in the bottom. What's in here? What's this filled with? Toilet water, spaghetti, macaroni and cheese?
Just air.
Air, good. And that's a hard concept for kindergartners. They can't believe that this is filled full of air until we do this. Are you ready? Close your eyes really tight. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Your hair looks beautiful, even more beautiful than what it did. So this just proves that air is all around us. While it's invisible, it's transparent. We can do this, and your hair blows all over the place overall. Now, your hair's still attached to your head. That's good news. It wasn't that much of a force. But speaking of force, I have some water in this film canister. You know what a film canister is?
Yeah. Actually do.
Yeah. Back in the 80s, probably early 90s, we used to take our pictures, then we would put our film in here, take it to the film developer, wait about 2 weeks. Then they would say, hey, by the way, your pictures are in. Nowadays, everything's instant with all of the phones that we have and the technology that we have nowadays. But what we can use this for now is not to kind of transport our film from one location to the next, but we can add a little bit of water. And this here, this is a film, this is an Alka-Seltzer, excuse me. And when you add water to the Alka-Seltzer, you get something new. Do you know what that new thing is?
Is it carbon dioxide?
You're exactly right. 5 for science. Good. A little bit better than that. Come on. Get excited about science, right? Now, I'm going to add that water and this together in here. We're getting something new. How do you know we're getting something new? Well, if we were not getting anything new, it would just sit there. But watch this. Put it in here like this. It starts to fizz and bubble. Okay, you can actually hear it fizzing and bubbling. Now, I'm going to snap the top on, capture that new thing. You step back just a little bit. Okay. We're building up pressure on the inside, and there it goes right there. There's our film canister rocket. Again, proving that we're building something up on the inside. The air we breathe consists of many different ingredients, specifically many different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide gas, and many others. But bottom line, air is everywhere. Takes up space. We just proved that with these 2 science experiments. Pretty cool, right?
Awesome. Thank you so much for being with us today.
One more time.